Hi guys, in today's video we want to look at how to change HP Pavilion G series keyboard. HP Pavilion G series, this is how to change the keyboard. You start by looking around it. This is what it looks like. This is HP Pavilion G series Core i3. You look around the screws around here. This is one screw. Here is another. Here is another one. Here. Here. And you pull out the battery. It's open. Look around this latch. This is it. And this is out, and here is the keyboard, right in between here. It's how to pull it out. You look carefully, there's a pin, you lift up, and the keyboard is out. You can also put it back using the same format. Carefully pull it inside, just pull it back. That is done. Yeah, you have it.